Baby Boo Boy, Pretty Monster, kids rack really clothes in the new Bosch washing machine.
Put more clothes.
Let's put more clothes in it.
Put more clothes. Put more clothes. Put more clothes. Let me check. We have to fill only 70% of the capacity. Oh, we can put more clothes. See, we can put till here. Put more clothes. Okay, baby boo boo has put all the clothes here. Now you can put detergent. Wow, you have put detergent also. Now fabric conditioner. यानी अरे यहाँ नहीं, यहाँ डालना था. कोई बात नहीं, अब यहाँ भी डाल दो. बीच में. Yes. Okay, close the door. धीरे से बेटो, इतना तेज नहीं. हाँ. Okay, now start. Okay, now move this to mix load. Yes, it's at mix load only. Mix load. Now start.
Press it.
Yeah, touch it.
Let's see up.
See, the water is coming inside now.
It's moving backwards.
Wow. Funny लग रहा है ना?
The night suit is twisting also.
Bye guys.
Bye.
That was our Bosch front load washing machine.